this week's video, we're going to do a review of the Fiskars shovel. This footage is from back in 2023. It's still relevant, and we hope you enjoy the video. So this is my review of the Fiskars shovel. I'm not getting paid for this or anything like that. I just do reviews here and there on things that I like to use, and this is something that I actually found to be valuable and a little bit better quality than most other tools on the market. So the Fiskars shovel is all metal. The handle is welded onto the shovel itself, and at first I didn't like that because I figured if something would happen to the handle, I can't replace the handle, I end up throwing out the whole shovel. So I didn't like that idea, so I actually avoided this shovel for quite some time. And then I broke a handle on a shovel that I had, wooden handle. I go to the store to get a new handle for the shovel, and what I find is the new handles, the prices had went up, and it was like $40 something, maybe $45, something like that, for a new handle. And the cheaper shovels were sold out at the time, and so all they had were these. So this thing was like $5 or $10 more than the hickory handle, the replacement handle, that I would have to get for my other shovel. So that's how I got into this. It wasn't much more than just getting a replacement handle. So I decided to give it a try. Now I own like 6 of these things, and I think they're great, and I'm not going back. So if you saw our video, actually we have a series of videos building a massive dry stack stone wall. The wall is like 60 feet long, 3 feet thick, and ranges from 6 to 8 feet tall. Anyway, I'll try to put a link in the description and try to go up above here too. So in building that wall, we ended up using these shovels a lot. In fact, we bought more of them whenever we started. And while we were building that, we actually busted one shovel. Out of all the shovels that we have, we just busted the one. And we were digging in rock, and we were prying rocks out of the ground, stuff like that. Anyway, this shovel broke, and these shovels are supposed to have some really great warranty, and I figured they're not going to honor this warranty because how we were doing. But we contacted the company anyway to see what they would say, and guess what? They replaced that shovel with a brand new one. Now it doesn't look new because my children actually decided to start using it right away. So as soon as it came, it started getting used just shortly after. Anyway, my opinion on their warranty is it's pretty good. So they just replaced the shovel, didn't really give a fuss or anything. I told them what was wrong with it, what happened, how it got there. They replaced it. It is all metal. It is decently thick metal. It's not cheap. That doesn't bend. This is a lot thicker and sturdier than most of the other shovels that I've ever had. It is welded, as I said before, so the handle comes through and is welded on. There's a nice place to push with your foot if you need to in digging. The handle itself is not totally round. It's kind of a teardrop shape. I don't know if you can see that very well. And that's actually an improvement, I think. Right at first, I wasn't so sure about it. You know, you think that a completely round pipe is not going to bend very easy, and you would think that this would more easily, but it actually, I don't know if it's thicker on the back part or what it is, but yeah, it's really durable, and we pry things with these shovels quite often. Never had a problem except for that one. Now that one that did break, I'm not sure how old it was, but we were using it fairly heavy. You don't normally pry big rocks out of the ground. Go back and check out those videos. You'll see what I'm talking about. Overall, it's a very good shovel. I would recommend it. It's built very well. It's a quality product and something that I use all the time. Like I said, I've got like 6 of them. And these shovels, I would say, are some of the better quality ones that I've had. I've had shovels that were more expensive with fiberglass handles, and those have all broken, and I still have these.